much for joining me. In today's video, I have my July update for I Heart the 90s. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab created by Laura. Everything is in the description box. So this is a prompt style project all about the 90s. I have been working on quite a few. I have some empties. When you see me looking over to the right, I am referencing my computer where my spreadsheet is. So let's start with my first prompt, and that is Wannabe, a product that reminds you of your best friend. And I had brought in 4 of these small kind of lotions from Hotels. I'd finished 3. This looks like it has a bit more in it. So I'm gonna turn this up down. We'll get this finished today. And then I have 1 more left. So once this one is done, this whole prompt will be finished. Next, Macarena is something from a Latin-owned brand, and I brought in this. This is the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. Last update, this was 143. This update is 124, so I used quite a bit. I mentioned before that I only use this in my ends when I can't get a comb through. I switched out the shampoo and conditioner I was using. I was using the one from Shea Moisture, and it just wasn't effective. So what I'm using now is a bit more hydrating, so I don't know how much I'll need this over the next few months, but we'll see. But yeah, this is in the finish. We ain't there yet. Thelma and Louise, a duo product. I brought in this. This is the Tarteist eyeliner. There is a liquid eyeliner on one side and a pencil on the other. I'd already used up the pencil. I'm gonna give this 1 more month, and then we're gonna call it good. It is still black, but it skips so much, even just on my eyelid. Like, even if I just want to put some liner on without any kind of eyeshadow, that doesn't happen very often, but even then it skips and it just doesn't look even. And it gets a little bigger, because I can't get it even. I've also had this open over a year, so I think it's about time we say goodbye to this one. So I'm gonna give it 1 more month, and I'm gonna go ahead and declutter it. Not declutter it, I'm gonna call it an empty, and we're gonna put it in the empty bin. So this is next on the list. Next, Rugrats, a product from a brand that you have mispronounced. I brought in this. This is a perfume sample from Givenchy called Irresistible. I didn't care for this, used it, it's gone. Next, we have 9021, Beverly Hills 90210, excuse me. Your most expensive product, and I brought in this. This is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. This is my chemical exfoliant. So the red line is where we started. The pink line is where we are today. I use this maybe once a week, once every other couple of weeks. I don't need to use it quite as much, although I do have quite a bit of texture right now. I think it's from the Wet n Wild serum that I'm using, so I'm gonna hopefully get that finished soon. But anyway, this is in the finish, and I don't know if it's gonna be finished by December or not. We'll see. Did I say that? This started January 1st and runs through December 31st. Okay, next, Beanie Babies. I haven't started using that. Bop It, a product with packaging that twists, pumps, pulls, etc. And I brought in this. This is the Touch and Soul Primer, and my goal is to finish, and I have finished. There's that little bit. I can't get it out. Tread. My spatula won't bend. So we're calling this finished. After I started using this on its own, I really like it, but I started using this one. This is the JOA Glow Activation Radiance Primer. This is not radiant, but these are basically the exact same thing, except this is clear. Feels the exact same on the skin. This is $20, and I think this is like 10 or 11, if they even still have it. So if you're interested, it's this one. It has glitter particles in it. I don't see them on my face. And again, I don't feel like it gives any kind of glow, but yeah, so that's empty. Next, we have Got Milk, a product with white packaging, white product, etc. I brought in this. In the last update, I said I hadn't had a chance to use this. My shower is fixed, although we found another leak. I swear to God, I swear to God. I'm about ready to blow a gasket on this shower. Anyway, luckily this time it's just where the control is. It's leaking there, so Rob thinks it'll be a pretty easy fix. We'll see. Anyway, this started at Life. It's Life at 503. It is now 471. I am currently using this. I absolutely love it. I haven't decided if I'm going to repurchase. This is the last in-shower lotion in my collection. I may let this finish and then decide if I feel like I need it. But yeah, so that is in to finish. Next, a butterfly clip, something with cute packaging. I brought in my Misha BB cream. Initially, I had the teddy bear package, but I sent that on to Danny. Plus, I picked out a different shade. So I have number 13, which I think is a much better shade. There's still a hint. I don't think it's gray. It just leans a bit more neutral. So my goal is to finish. The top line is where we were. The bottom line is where we are. And I've been tapping this over my Cargo Joa mixture. I didn't do it today. I don't know what is going on with my base. My eye look is fire, but my base looks like crap. But yeah, so I really enjoy that. I don't think it'll be something that I repurchase because I can't wear it on its own because it doesn't provide enough coverage. This Clinique mascara is getting everywhere on my eyeball. Next is Surge Green Product Packaging. I brought in this. This is my Matrix Biolage Clean Reset Shampoo, and my goal was to finish. It is finished, and I have the liter. Ugh, mature. I have the pump somewhere and I can't find it. So anyway, this is a done. D-O-N-E, done. And then last but not least is Dunkaroos, a food themed product. I've been working on this. This is the Pharmacy Honey Grail Face Oil. You can see our progress. I've recently started using this more because I put this under that really matte foundation. I don't know that I'm going to finish this. I'm like, I'm on a struggle bus trying to get any use out of it. So once that Cargo foundation is done, I may call this done too. I just don't like it. Doesn't sink in, doesn't smell nice. I have other face oils that I'd much rather be using. And so that is it. Everything that's in, everything that has progress. Let's talk about what's coming in. For Buffy the Vampire Slayer, a mythical creature themed product. I'm bringing in this. This is the e.l.f. Contour. I have no idea what shade this is in. But anyway, this is their putty contour bronzer, I guess. This is the kind of contour color. My goal for this is going to be to hit pan. And we'll see how we do. I've only swatched it. Accidentally put it on. It's definitely a contour shade. And it basically blends away. Okay, we'll see how I do with that. Anyway, my goal is going to be to hit pan. If that happens pretty quickly, I may change my goal to finish. We shall see. And then last but not least, I am bringing in for Pogs, a product you used a couple of times when you first got it and haven't used it since. This is a Milani blush. This is in Romantic Rose. This is a mini blush. It's absolutely beautiful. I've mentioned before, I love these Milani blushes. So this is what it looks like. This is what the color it is on the face. I think my goal for this is going to be, I want to see if I can hit pan. It's a mini blush. That doesn't mean it won't happen really quickly. I mean, that it will happen really quickly. But I think that's going to be my goal. We'll see how we do. So anyway, goal is to hit pan. We shall see. So for the next time, the lotions should absolutely be done. Again, I'm going to call this one done. What else? Possibly that Honeymoon Grail or Honey Grail. God dang, Missy brain. Face oil. So anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Misty Pans. Be sure to say hello in the comments down below. Let me know if you're doing this project or what you're doing for summer, because I'm filming this on the 5th and my nephew and brother will be here tomorrow. We're going to spend some time in the pool and just play and have a good time. So yeah, and we traveled last year, so we're not traveling this year, which is a bummer, but it is what it is. So anyway, all right guys, I love your faces. Have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.